Howdy folks, we are in the basement today because I'm going to try and turn this sort of novelty skull into a silicone ice mold. We're in the basement for two reasons today. One is to try and make this ice mold. The other, it's 110 outside. Yikes. Let's get started. So we got this plastic skull. I think it's plastic, maybe acrylic or something. It's got a flat spot that it sits, and it's got this slot on the top, which I guess is to hold something like a display thing. I put a piece of clear tape over here because I don't want this slot in my ice. But let me show you this other thing too. If this is sitting on a table, the back of the skull sticks out a little further, and what I would like to do is prop it up like this because I need this dimension to be smaller to fit into the bottle I want to use. We've got the skull. This is a cap to tequila bottle. I've had good luck in the past gluing these together because so it'll sit a little higher in the bottle I'm going to use. That works well, but I do, as I was pointing out, want to prop this up a little bit, so I'm going to need to figure something out to glue underneath here to keep this skull in place. So let's see if we can figure that out. If I can cut this piece of wood at like an angle, maybe I can prop it up there. Maybe it'll be a little bit more stable. First step is cut the bottom off. I did it. So I did it. I got the plastic off. It's a bit of a mess of plastic, but it's off now. Okay, I got the plastic off. Now I need to cut this skull, the skull itself out of here to leave me a mold. I'm also going to cut a small hole in the top because I'm going to need a hole up there for the water to come out and to make the ice. You want to cut a jagged line so it will register again. Cool. So now you can. I've got the mold made. I'm gonna stick it in a water bottle. Okay, so let's see if this fits. Oh, it fits great. So what I'm gonna do, big bags for this. All right, we got it in a water bottle. We got it in a koozie. I'm just gonna fill it up and see what happens. Let's do it.
Skull, and I'm here to say I cool your drink in a spooky way. I got teeth, but I got no eyes. I'm a cranium that's miniaturized. The greatest MC that you never heard, 'cause I don't have no vocal cords. I'm clear, that's what I said. Now I'll quit while I'm